You must have seen many of the most expensive and rare animals in the world. But today I have brought you an animal exhibit. You have probably never seen more expensive and beautiful animals than this one. They are even more expensive than you think. Look closely at this majestic creature on your screen. This is Frankel, the most valuable, invincible, and terrifyingly fast racehorse in human history. Valued at a staggering $200 million, he did what was once thought impossible: 14 elite professional races, and 14 absolute dominant victories. Undefeated, unstoppable, legendary.
Rival, no! A decisive no! Frankel, unbeaten, utilises that turn of foot to devastating effect and wins the Kipco Sussex Stakes. What a brilliant horse!
Next on our list of history's most valuable animals is a creature that completely redefined the global dairy and agriculture industry. Meet Miss Missy, the most expensive cow ever sold in North American history. In 2009, at the prestigious Royal Agricultural Winter Fair in Toronto, Canada, buyers entered a fierce bidding war for this extraordinary Holstein cow. When the final hammer dropped, Miss Missy was sold for an astounding $1.2 million. What makes a single cow worth over $1 million? It's not just about milk production, it's about pure genetic gold. Miss Missy comes from an elite line of Holstein cattle, celebrated for producing up to 50% more milk than average cows, alongside world champion body conformation and show-winning traits. Next on our list of history's most priceless animals is a creature that redefined luxury in the pet world: Big Splash, an extraordinary red Tibetan Mastiff. In 2011, this massive lion-like dog shattered world records when he was purchased by a Chinese coal baron for an unbelievable $1.5 million. What makes a single dog worth $1 million fortune? Originating from the high-altitude mountains of Tibet, the Tibetan Mastiff is one of the oldest and purest breeds on Earth. With a thick golden red mane and an imposing build weighing over 180 pounds, Big Splash was considered a pure status symbol of elite wealth and royal prestige. His new owner didn't just buy a pet, he bought an exclusive genetic gold mine, with breeding fees for Big Splash commanding up to $100,000 per session. Big Splash proved that when rare heritage meets absolute royalty, even a dog can command $1 million price tag.
Japanese businessman Kiyoshi Kimura has paid over 1.3 million euros for a bluefin tuna.
Next up in our series of the world's most expensive animals, we are diving deep into the ocean to look at a sea creature so valuable, it sold for a jaw-dropping $3.1 million. Meet the Pacific bluefin tuna, the undisputed king of the underwater world. In 2019 at Tokyo's famous fish market, a single 612-pound giant triggered a ruthless bidding war, ultimately selling to a Japanese sushi titan for $3.1 million. But what makes this sea creature worth a Hollywood fortune? The meat of this fish is very tender and very tasty. $3.1 million for a single fish, proving that when pure marine power meets extreme rarity, even a creature of the deep can command a multi-million-dollar fortune. These beautiful pigeons you are looking at. Out of all the birds in human history, the absolute most expensive bird ever sold on Earth is a flying legend named Armando. In 2019, this champion Belgian racing pigeon triggered a historic international bidding war, selling for a staggering $1.9 million. Known as the Formula One champion of the skies, Armando possessed unbeatable endurance, muscle power, and navigation skills that left the world in awe. At $1.9 million, Armando proved that when pure speed meets legendary genetics, even a bird can command the price of a luxury supercar. These are the most beautiful fish in the world you are looking at. Out of all the ornamental creatures on the planet, the absolute most expensive living fish ever sold in human history is a Japanese koi legend named S. Legend. In 2018, at a high-stakes auction in Japan, a collector dropped an unbelievable $1.8 million to claim this single 9-year-old masterpiece. What makes a single koi fish worth a Hollywood fortune? Spanning over 3 feet long, S. Legend belongs to the prestigious Kohaku breed, celebrated for her flawless porcelain white body adorned with striking, fiery red markings. In the world of high-end living art, her perfect symmetry, brilliant coloring, and rare genetic purity are practically impossible to replicate. At $1.8 million, legend proved that when nature's beauty becomes living art, even a backyard pondfish can command the price of a super yacht. Next up in our series of history's most valuable animals is a creature that just shattered every world record, a single cow evaluated at a staggering $4.8 million. Meet Viatina 19, a majestic Nelore cow from Brazil who holds the official Guinness World Record as the most expensive cow ever sold. So, what makes a single cow worth nearly $5 million? Unlike ordinary livestock, Viatina 19 is a genetic masterpiece. Built with pure snow-white fur, incredible heat tolerance, and massive muscular physique, she represents the absolute pinnacle of cattle breeding. Her genetics are so elite that just a single sample of her DNA sells for hundreds of thousands of dollars to top breeders worldwide. At $4.8 million, Viatina 19 isn't just livestock, she is living biological gold, proving that elite genetics can command the price of a private jet. Next up in our series of history's most extraordinary animals, we are taking you into the middle of the desert to reveal the most expensive camel ever sold in human history. Meet the legendary Arabian racing camel that was purchased in Kuwait for an astonishing $2.7 million. What makes a desert creature worth a multi-million-dollar fortune? Deeply rooted in Middle Eastern heritage, elite camels like this are the undisputed supercars of the desert, possessing massive strides, insane endurance, and bloodlines bred over generations for high-stakes racing championships. These creatures compete for fortunes in the Gulf region. Beyond their raw speed, their bold features and flawless physical symmetry are celebrated as the ultimate status symbol of royal prestige and ultimate luxury. At $2.7 million, this soaring desert icon proved that when high-speed performance meets royal tradition, even a camel can command the price of a luxury yacht. These were the best and most expensive animals in the world that we have shown you. You must have been surprised to hear their prices. To watch more such good videos and to increase your knowledge, subscribe to our channel and share our videos and like them as much as possible.